Amy Coney Barrett today did not want to talk about her years of anti-abortion activism and her advocacy and membership in organizations that are not only against abortion, they're against the most popular forms of birth control in this country. And as Senator Leahy was getting at there, they want to outlaw IVF. It's one thing for Judge Barrett to have publicly been an activist on those causes, to have been part of membership organizations that through which she was a public advocate on policy issues on that matter. It's another thing for her to have tried to hide that material from the committee, but all of those things were laid out today in her hearing. On IVF, though, what Senator Leahy is talking about there is in vitro fertilization. She was a member of an organization. She was signed on to a document produced by an organization that does believe that in vitro fertilization is manslaughter and should be prosecuted as such. It's fertility treatment. They want that outlawed, too. They want you to go to jail for having fertility treatment. Those kind of associations for Judge Barrett led today to this unprecedented anti-endorsement from fertility doctors, who actually tend to be a fairly conservative bunch. The journal Fertility and Sterility, for the first time ever, put out a statement today on a Supreme Court nominee saying that Judge Barrett holds, quote, fringe anti-science views, and that, quote, the seating of Amy Coney Barrett to the Supreme Court threatens those who seek to build a family through in vitro fertilization. Quote, should Barrett be seated to the Supreme Court with her publicly stated positions that would severely hamper fertility treatments, making them less effective and less safe, we fear that reproductive health care would be set back many decades, endangering the families for which we care. In the 70 years of Fertility and Sterility, which is the name of the journal for fertility doctors, quote, we have never felt the need to opine on the seating of a Supreme Court justice by any party. For the reproductive health of all Americans, though, we do so today. When the fertility doctors are mad at you, when the fertility doctors are making political statements saying, oh my God, don't let this judge on the court. Given the number of American families who have used fertility treatments, that's attention-getting.